Welcome to Dan's Cars, the Swiss automotive channel. Today I'll show you the last car in our little fleet, my wife's Toyota Yaris hybrid. And I will clean it today. As you can see, it's quite filthy in here. Well, let's see what we can do about that. So here's my unpopular opinion. The Dyson sucks. No, it doesn't suck. And that's the problem. It's just awful. That's better. A bit. Quite nice. Behind the wheel there's a lot of room, or enough to be comfortable. The car is high-tech, as in it has a hybrid engine, but the interior is quite dated, I would say. Doesn't even have a start-stop button. The back seat is tiny for a child and a small dog. It's fine. Well, and the trunk, well, what do you expect? It's small. I'm driving the Toyota Yaris hybrid, and it's, well, it has a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's a hybrid, so in total it has 100 horsepower, which is slow. It's fine to run errands and stuff like that, but it's not really fun to drive because it's just not quick enough. And the battery is full. It has a little bit more power. It's fine, but I don't know what to tell you. It's just boring. Yeah, it's boring. At least it's very good on gas. Only 4.5 liters per 100 kilometers, which is quite good. Okay, now I'm flooring it. Because of its CVT transmission, when you floor it, it gets loud, and then that's it. But that stupid touchscreen always gets stuck in winter, so yeah, it's crap. thing which is crap is the windshield wiper. There's only one, and that's, well, as history tells us, it just doesn't work. It's crap. Let's go get the car washed. The wheels, they are really ugly. Those are the winter wheels. So in summer we have some really nice 15-inch alloy wheels, which are these too. A nice touch, I think, is the blue in the logo. It's in the back, it's the same thing. That's really nice, I think. As I told you, the windshield wiper, just one, doesn't really work that well. But overall, it's a really good car. My wife loves it, and that's all that matters. Okay, I'm done. The car is clean, I'm happy, and that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.